Right, we need to talk about this. I'm on a phase that I want to make flowers every day. Okay, I don't know, I'm not sure what's going on with me, but you saw me my inches and twinches I made last week. They're still here on my desk. I'm just on this phase. I just want to make flowers. I think it will pass. Ciao beautiful people, and welcome back to the channel. Hope you guys had a wonderful weekend. Happy Monday and happy beginning of the new week. Hope you guys are well. Our finally day off. Oh god, been working all the weekend. So this morning had a really chill breakfast. Had just had a shower. So crack on, and yeah, happy crafty time for me. So I'm going to show you really quickly just a few bits and bobs I bought. I just had the last parcel come in this morning. I was waiting for it so I can show you. So it just arrived. So I thought, right, let's get a few bits together. Let me show you what I've got. So first of all, I've got from Stampin Up. There was there is, I think, not celebration, a clearance. Sorry about the recently on the plastic. So I bought this on the clearance rack. It's like a sale. Stampin' Up sale. So it's the little flower punch. Now this punch here measure just under an inch, so you get tiny little flowers. And I always wanted it, and I was waiting. I can't remember how much I paid, to be fair, but I will check and I will let you know. So it punches little flowers like that, and look how cute they are. So I'm going to do a video, a very long chatty video, because I know you guys like them. And we're gonna make a bulk of this, because I want to make some flowers. We're gonna use different beads, but I'll do that today. I'll film it today, and then I'm gonna share it on the channel in the next coming days. Also, what I bought from the website, this is full price. I think this sort of tools, I don't think they're never going, they never be reduced, because it's kind of like a core product that you can always buy, like an evergreen sort of product. So this is the mat that you use to clear your stamp. So it's two mats. So the one on my left here has got a little sun here in the corner. The one on my right has got a little few little drops. So I think it goes like this, to be fair. So the purpose of this, there's one side you're going to spray your stamp, and then clear it, and then spray and keep clearing it. And then on this side here, when it's dry, you just do like that, and then it dries it off. So you've got a wet side and a dry side, if it makes sense. And they can be just pull out, so you can wash it and then dry it. I think it's a fabulous idea. I mean, they're supposed to last a lifetime. I mean, this is synthetic. So, but what you can do if you use them a lot of time and they're gonna be bad, you can replace those two with other mats, and then you've got this sort of system forever, really. So I'm really chuffed, because I wanted it for a very long time. So I got it. So I'm really pleased with that. That will make the stamping and the clearing process a bit more quicker. So that's that. Let me secure that. So also from Stampin' Up, but on eBay, I've got a few bargains to show you. So the first bargain is this one. It's called the Frosted Gingerbread. I think it's from last year. I'm not really sure if these are still live. This is second hand, but it's never been used. So the dice and the stamp are brand new. So you've got all this, literally, you can see, guys, it's never been used. So I got the stamp and the dice for £17, including delivery. So that was a massive bargain. So you get all these different elements that you can make your gingerbread house, if you want to make like decoration, your candies and few sentiments. Really chuffed with this. I'm really pleased. Then I've got another one. It's the Oh So Eclectic. I love this one. And again, what are you doing in what? don't know. So I've got the stamp set and the matching dice. They just came like this with a little sheet, so I was pleased with that. This was, I want to say, either 12 or 15 including delivery. So again, I'm really pleased. So I'm obsessed with flowers, so I can't wait to use this one and the leaves, because again, it's all matchy. So I'm really pleased with that. And then last but not least is this one. Is called Mixed Bunch. Again, 3 different flowers, but I believe there was a matching punch. I'm not bothered about the punch because I can just fussy cut it. But this will be amazing if you hit embossed, maybe in gold, on I can imagine this more like on a burgundy background with on a burgundy cardstock, and hit emboss this in gold. Oh god, that will look amazing. And then some flowers. Again, right, we need to talk about this. I'm on a phase that I want to make flowers every day. Okay, I don't know, I'm not sure what's going on with me, but you saw me in my inches and twinches I made last week. They're still here on my desk. I'm just on this phase. I just want to make flowers. I think it will pass. But if not, this is going to be a flowers channel. Welcome to my flowers channel. Antonio makes flowers. Okay, let's say that. We're going to rename the channel. Right, carry on. A few books. This one was £2 or £3, so it's 1,100 designer motifs from historic sources from John Layton. So basically, guys, it's a black and white selection of imagery that I will fussy cut, and they are public domain, so they're royalty free. So I will be using on my digitals as well. Really looking forward to use them. The black and white, but you can color them, but also you can use this on coffee dye papers or tea dye paper, so you can do anything that you want. You can also use these huge pages for your junk journals as base from your envelopes or tags. So really pleased with that. And then book number 2 is part of the Country Diary series. It's not from Edith Holden like my next book is, but this is kind of part of the same theme. And again, it's a gorgeous collection of imagery, but also all these dates month by month of bird. And I think it's super cute. I mean, some of the illustrations are fabulous. So I'm definitely going to use this. So I'm really pleased with that. So you will see these lovely birds coming to hand very quickly. I'm not sure I will read the month, like October, November. I'm not sure I'll actually read the book. But I'll definitely use the illustration. Okay. Then we've got, and I was looking at this was on my basket for a very long time, and I was just waiting. It's gone down, I think, to like £3.99. It's The Natural Notes of an Edwardian Lady from Edith Holden. So I mean, look at that. This is a book that I will read because she was fabulous. I really admired her. So I was really looking forward to read this book. And it's just, I always say, I don't know if you guys watch my videos regularly, I always say that I was born in a wrong era. I don't belong to this century. I was, I think in a past life I was in a different century, because I love everything that is country, all vintage. Yeah, and she was an amazing lady, and she had a horrible death, bless her. So her soul live in modern days as well, I believe. So I'm really looking forward to read these. And then now I'm going to take out of my desk, and I'm going to show you 2 more bits that I've bought. Okay, sorry about the shake. That's my natural hands. So I bought this DVD rack when I store all my Stampin' Up dies. So this is a DVD rack. I got it from Amazon, $19.99, I believe. There was $29.99. I wasn't prepared to pay for that. So it went down and yeah, I got it. So it can hold, well, you can store 50 DVDs. So as you can see here, I can put the ones I bought in there, and I can only buy 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 more. After 6, I won't buy any more Stampin' Up stamps. So if I want to buy some more, some of this needs to go, but this is a collection of my favorite ones. I won't go through one by one because otherwise you guys are gonna fall asleep. But yeah, I think DVD racks are the best way to store Stampin' Up dies, in my opinion. And then we bought these. Is the 3-tie wooden shoe rack from this is from eBay. It was a bargain. It was £10 including delivery. We got one of these in the porch downstairs, but I wanted to buy one to put under my desk. So they got like light brown, which is the color that goes perfectly with the furniture and what we have in this room here. So I'm really pleased. 3 tiers, so I will put all my stuff that I will be using, like mostly, like quite frequently, just under my desk, so it's easy to reach, and also, yeah, to keep them all tidy. Okay guys, that's it for today. I hope you like these little bits and bobs. I'm not going to put any links or anything like that because I don't do affiliate marketing. So if you wish to purchase any of this, just have a look on Amazon and on eBay, because you find loads of bargains. And sometimes it's better to wait because if people want to get rid of things, you've got really good bargains. Okay, right guys, have a wonderful, wonderful day in the beginning of a new week. And I will see you soon with more crafty videos. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Big thumbs up as usual. That will really help the channel. Take care, and until next time, stay safe and well.